Whoa. You've been busy.
Yeah. So these here are the 24 footers. These will go along the front and the back and the middle. Back there's floorboards. And then these are obviously cabin walls.
And this is where we're staying. Oh wow, you made it bigger.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me see if I remember I got this right. This is the door.
Yeah.
And there's like a wall here.
Yeah.
So you put your like coat on or whatever.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, I think so. All right, time for me to get to work, so this is actually becomes a reality.
yeah.
I'm just doing another trip back to the Jeep to get some more stuff, and I got a feeling I left my wife back there at my shelter. She's gonna have that whole thing redesigned by the time I get back.
So I think this will be a good before and after I kind of come in here and put my little touches on here. I'm gonna get rid of, or hide this tarp there. And then to put 2 beds here, firewood in the back corner with the stove. Get some candles. We can make this work. It's cozy.
All right, my bed's all set.
I need to make my bed.
All right, let's do it. Once I feel like it's starting to scrape, then I start to get the angle that I want. So now I can feel it starting to catch.
Yeah.
So now is when I got to start to cut on this side of the hole first. Start making the angle go that way so the legs splay out and are stable.
Hardwood.
Yeah, it is really hard for pine, right? It feels extra hard. How's that working for you?
It's hard.
How are you making it, darling?
Oh, it's hard work. My last whole body into it. Oh my god.
Through.
What?
You through though.
No. I'm through.
Good job.
Oh yeah. Solid.
Okay, so wherever you try to make it level, so on the high leg, just dig out some dirt. You got like a king size bed happening here. Extra long.
Okay. It's time.
For my haircut?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Do it over there.
Yeah.
Do you have a license to do this? Woo. Oh. Okay, so just a little off the sides. Let's take a selfie video of this. Right, it's time for a haircut. So yeah, just a little off the sides, you know, right here, tight by the ears. Give her a go.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah. How's she doing? I like the sound of that. I don't want to have to do this again until it gets warm, so let's, you know, make it count.
You want me to take some off?
No, you don't touch that part at all.
Are you sure?
Those are my beauty locks, so you just do work around the perimeter. That was close. Like taper this out that way, yeah. So there's still some length so I can still comb it back, but yeah, this has to come out.
So taper it? Okay, so it's cool. This is fun. Oh god.
I like the texture. The texture is good. You're doing great. This is what I've asked every hairdresser for that I just can't seem to get the hang of. Is just a good choppy
Yeah,
cut.
see, Paul? This is what he wants.
See, Paul? If you can get a hold of it, cut it.
Really? All of this?
Yeah.
Like just...
Yeah. Give her. Wait. Let me get that again. Okay, go ahead.
Just trimming them because I don't think you really want me to do that. Oh, look at me.
Ooh!
Whoa. Be careful where you put your hands.
I felt that. Okay, I think we're good. I feel lighter. Can you just
good.
swipe me with the...
Really good.
Just spin this t-shirt and then, like, you know.
Okay. Whip you?
Yeah. Okay. Well, not whip, like, okay, but yeah, that's the idea.
I don't know if this is really the best.
Okay. Well, it's not exactly going as planned. Oh yeah, those are done. Definitely done. Oh,
Yeah, those look good. Medium rare?
Is that what you want, medium rare?
Yeah.
Let's take a peek. Might be almost there.
They might smell good.
Yeah, they do. Oh yeah, they're done. Look at that, perfect. A little bit of pink, but that's how you like it, right?
Yeah.
So we were in a bit of a rush this morning, so there's no salt, no pepper, no seasoning, no marinade, just straight up meat on a coal.
Mmm. Delicious.
Let's get some butter on these potatoes.
Wow, that's so good. I smell our steak.
They do smell our steak.
They're going crazy.
They're close. It's just a big piece of leather. Helps with a little bit of warmth and softness. This place is really coming alive. You putting your pajamas on?
Yeah.
You're excited to tuck into that super foam.
It's like crazy.
Yeah, you are not going to be cold.
comfy?
Yeah.
Here. Ooh, blanket.
Thanks, darling. Oh. Good morning.
Morning.
How'd you sleep?
Good. Not raining.
No. See, good thing we didn't listen to the forecast.
Yeah.
Good thing you said, I don't care whether it's raining or snowing. I'm getting out of this house. Alright, temperature is currently 4 degrees Celsius. By 10 a.m. we're going to start to get some rain. It's 8:30 now, so we got an hour and a half before rain. By noon it's going to be raining real heavy.
I heat up my bread that I baked.
Oh yeah, we don't need that. We got your bread.
Mm.
Oh, beautiful. Sweet. Let's have that.
I want to kind of warm it up, toast it.
Sure, yeah.